Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. It's what day is today, Boom? Wednesday. Wednesday, and it's a beautiful day again. We just had our errands this morning, and like this time of the day, it's a relaxing day. And there's Mike on his office. So I'll show you this time the installation of our glass doors. Okay, I'll give you a tour, and for those who are watching our videos, I have to shout out to Miss Monette O'Hara. Thank you for watching, Dai. And here are some, we dried a pebbles for our main door. So here are the boys installing this. So this is actually the window, the door here. I don't know if you can see it. This is a 1/2 inch thick. I'm going inside. Yeah, I think I can show you more here. So we actually have two of this. This is for the living and kitchen, and this is how they install this. These are all the hardwares. You can lock it outside as well, and this is how thick it is. This is the inside piece. See, it's really well built. This is actually from Europa Design, so you know, I put it in. Shout out to the Europa people. So this is a glass door. So this is how it works here. It's the handle, solid. And here's the other one. This is the kitchen. This is going to be our kitchen here. Kitchen area. And this is the other door for the kitchen. I'm afraid to. Anong gibutangan malagi na ninyo kuandoy katong handle. Katong kanang usa. Okay ra na? Ha?
Tagalog na ko balik nila.
Okay.
Basi mabalik ba?
Mao lagi?
Nya, unya na ko ihatag ninyo kanang picture ni kuan ba kanang.
Oo. Pero kamo lagi pa mag-install na. Okay. Unya na nagkon kayo masabod ba nila ba? Maglihok-lihok sila.
Mga Miyerkules siguro nila tao. Na.
Oo. Asunod Miyerkules? Human na di mo? Human hapit na di? Ag mga screen ani wa pa man.
Kuan nila ko ipantaon. Kasi diri ko may nagkuan tagal na iwo na sila ng school ni. Ako lang accessories ani. Ya, hindi ako ipantaon. Okay na. Dali, ako kami ni kuag. Sukod. Nanay tayo daw.
Sukdan pa nag-usab di ay og nanay tiles.
Ako ni kuan og nanay tayo siya dire. Og mo okay ra ni kuan ako sukod ngari dire iyang tiles si bangga ani ni
Isa ra ingna kay sa rabay magbutang sa tiles.
Ana dan. Kaya ako ni kuag sukod. Ana para alisod magsukod ko dan jaw bitaw.
Lagi.
Mo kapos siya or taas ba.
Tino di na ra ba jud to na to ma. Utro.
Balik na.
Ay dakong
Ako sa sarado bay. Kayo.
Ipa. Sarasa.
Ya.
Ano siya?
Sarado. Sarado sa busy. Dili ba? Dili ba? Sarado ba?
There you go. So that's the hardware there. That's the handle. So that they'll lock it up. They just try it, but they're gonna remove it because I don't want that handle to get ruined because we still have a lot of things going on. And we already have this window, this glass. See how smooth this one is? It's smooth. This is also a soundproof type of glass, so we can never hear the neighbor having some video. Okay. So that's why we got this. Everything here. This is another window. This is actually a glass area here. Glass. Larry put a newspaper so that they're not going to scratch it because he's still doing some painting at Mama's bedroom. Kapit na di mo mahuman. So they also have this Mama's bedroom. All the openings here with slidings, of course, has a screen. So see, it's so clean. That's how they. All the hardware to put some cover on it. If you see. Unsa man ni ado, di ka ni sa awan mo kan matangtang din sa di ay. Hinloan pa na no, hindi ko ninyo. This is the guy here. He's the one who's in charge of sealing. Put the sealant on. So they use a. Ano sa ito gamit na ninyo doon?
Sealant?
Sealant? Some sealant.
Tape lock na. Tape kung kumain ko.
You can almost see the whole project almost finished when you put in all these things together. Our main door is already in the making. Why is it the main door and that door? They're not level. Sorry. There's something in there. Some balance. Oh, I'm going to show you. We put some. This is for the stairs. Here. They bolt this. This is for the tugas for our rail. For our rail. That's what they did. Do that thing. There's like all of them. Ano ni abot naman ka Erickson? Mapatindog na din siya di ay. So that's the tugas that they're going to put in a rail. So if you notice, we put that in our gutter so it's a screen so that whenever it's raining, all the leaves are not gonna be on the gutter. That will screen on all the dirt. So we have that installed. It's place is more cleaner. So to show you what it looks like here. Na naman kay kahoy para ari doon katong duha ka buk imong yung tag-as. Kanang para dari ba?
Kahoy adkin dito mo din loyo.
Ano ya?
Sukod ka bisayas magkataon taman ari.
Haram dig mga kahoy agkat katong ditong tag wa na di tag-as dadto katong ipanggamit din nila. Katong dito. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Just showing you what's the update. Thank you. God bless.